Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we have kind of a funny but also a fun craft today. So I am going to be using this, which is just the tube that my new pillow came in. It is a Casper pillow, and I know everything you see about Casper online is always sponsored, and this was not. I full on paid for this, and it was expensive, but in its defense, it is actually a really good pillow. So if you're looking for a good pillow, this is a good one. I would actually suggest it. But it came in this giant tube, which was kind of cool. You can open it. There we go. It's just like in a giant tube, like a big cardboard sturdy tube. And at first I wanted to make it into a kaleidoscope or a telescope or something. But then that plan died because what I actually need in my life is not a giant kaleidoscope. It is a marble pillar to put things on and make them look cute. And this is perfect. It's round, it's the right size. It's a little low, but awesome. And then I just have marble wrapping paper from Christmas. I was looking at marble contact paper and all the ones at the store, I didn't like the print on them. So I just have marble wrapping paper, and we're gonna turn my pillow container into a little marble column. And I'm actually really excited about it because I think it's gonna be really fun and just easy to do, but super cute, and just something that I could put in the corner and display things on and pretend I'm really rich. So that's today's craft. I'm gonna link this pillow down in the description if I can find it on Amazon, because I actually really like it. It's doing a lot for neck pain. So we have that, we have marble wrapping paper, and we have ourselves a craft, and we're gonna get going. So we are going to start by getting our materials prepped, and there is honestly nothing tricky or difficult to this craft at all. We are literally just wrapping the tube like you would any present. So just try really hard to wrap it nicely so you don't have a lot of bubbles or crinkles or anything in your paper. And normally my wrapping jobs are not great, but I'm trying really hard to make this one look nice with nice clean lines. Obviously the seam is going to be visible, but since it is a circle and I'm going to be putting it in a corner anyway, I can just put that part to the back. I am using double-sided sticky tape because the regular tape, if it's on top of the paper, shows, and I'm trying to make this look as decent as I can given what it is. So I'm using double-sided sticky tape. It's not necessary, and I'm not really worried about the bottom since it's not going to show. The top, I'm not trying to make perfect. I'm going to cover it, but I do want it nice and flat because even though I'm going to cover it with a piece of wrapping paper, you'll be able to see the crinkles underneath. So I am cutting out a square for the top, basically just making sure it is wide enough to go all the way around it. And then I am going to just put my cylinder on top of it, grab a pen, and trace the circle out. Maybe I should have done this before I wrapped it, but it wasn't a big deal. Go ahead and cut the circle out, and then we are going to use some more double-sided sticky tape to just completely just cover the top of the column so that our paper doesn't have any flyaway edges or anything sticking up, and trying to make it as seamless as possible. And then just put the top of your circle on top of your column, and that is it. So this is the final result. I actually really like it. No, it's probably not going to fool anyone that it's real marble, but it is a nice aesthetic, and it's just a fun little accessory for the corners. So I like it. Hope you guys did too. Thanks for watching.